So this story time takes us back to 2012, 14?
Yeah. The early days.
What year?
No, I would say probably
It was
10 or 11.
Well, it was right when we bought the house. Or
I thought it was when we were in Jersey still. Was it not?
No.
Mm.
No.
Yeah, because we started talking to some folks up in Alaska about it when we were still in Jersey. We were looking at buying that house in Jersey over by Dina.
We started talking about it, but we didn't really design it
Yeah.
until we came out here.
I feel like you did out there. I feel like you and your dad tinkered.
This is why we go. No.
I know you tinkered
No,
with...
you're.
I feel like you tinkered with...
Nope.
You did, because we were buying that freaking pounder that was so obnoxiously expensive in Jersey. And then we found more efficient methods out here. It was Jersey. It was.
Was it?
Yeah,
Okay.
totally. Anyways.
So that's why we're
As we
married.
digress.
She knows dates. Thank you.
You're quite welcome.
So we were living with mom and dad.
Mhm.
We were talking about where we were going to live. We actually had a list of things that we needed to have before we can have a baby.
Mm-hmm.
And a few of those things were down payments for the house.
Right.
Needed to have health insurance. Anyways.
The little things.
The little things. So one of the things that I wanted Whitney to commit to was buying a house in the middle of nowhere. Like 40 to 100 acres. Right?
Literally in the middle of
And
it.
some of these places we would go see, you would drive an hour down this road, then turn down a dirt road, drive for 20 minutes, and then like the third or fourth turn, Whitney would be like, all right, no need to go any
Back it
further.
up. This is not happening.
Were you pregnant when we were, yeah.
No, I had,
When-
we had had Sammy and I was pregnant
During
with
that,
Jess.
yeah. During that visit. So anyway, one of the things I had said to Whitney was, if we buy the
Mhm.
house where I want, the property that I want, I'll build you anything. And you thought about it.
For sure.
Looked it up, thought about it, and came back to me with a glow-in-the-dark concrete countertop.
Driving.
Yeah, no, it was a countertop. And I said, yeah, it was a countertop. I remember it was a blue countertop. It had like it almost looked like an ocean.
Mhm.
And it even had it on the edges. Really well done, well used. And I don't think it was concrete. I think it was like an epoxy coating.
Sure.
Beautiful though.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Very cool.
And I said, wow, that is flipping cool.
Mhm.
And you said, no, I want a driveway. And we didn't have, I had thought we had already gotten the this place from the Bryants.
No.
So I thought we were, but okay, it was before that. I apologize. So I've told the story wrong a couple times. I'm sorry. But anyway, still the story's the same. So you remember what you said or what we had to do? We started putting the mixes together.
And it was going to be just like ridiculously expensive.
I can't remember if it was a 20 by 30 foot driveway or a 20 by 40 or 20 by 20.
Right.
But material cost to get a 4-inch thick driveway, somewhere around 20 by 20, 20 by 40, was $350,000. And that wasn't even looking at the difficulty of making the mix, the labor involved, none of that. It was just straight materials. And I said, baby, there's no way we can afford this. And Whitney said,
I thought you were intelligent concrete.
one more time.
I thought you were intelligent concrete.
Like I felt
Figured if
like
anybody
this,
could figure it out, it was this guy.
I felt like this tall. So, found it. Oh, I've done that a few times and I've dropped it, so this piece is broken. So Whitney said to me, I thought you were intelligent concrete, which was, slap, face, awesome. Talk about motivation. Motivation. So I started, like you said, playing with glow-in-the-dark mixes, starting out with the most basic things that I could get at Home Depot, at Walmart. And that's how we came up with our glow-in-the-dark business cards.
Right.
That, I tell you, you go to shows.
People love them.
So what we did do is we came up with a formula that you could use very inexpensive and still get you the desired effect.
Right.
So here's the question. Why haven't we used it?
Oh, on our driveway?
Yeah.
Oh, that is a good question. Well, we need to get more of a driveway. We just got the little pad right
So
in front
let's
of the
try
garage.
the little pad.
Just put it on
Right.
like roller
Right.
coating.
Okay,
Do
so
it.
Here, the next video series
dear.
we're gonna do is glow-in-the-dark concrete cementitious overlay.
I wouldn't say the next. Maybe like May.
The next
project.
video on this. Whitney just got
Okay.
really nervous. Yeah, I gotta go take this PE exam tomorrow.
Well, and yeah,
I'm traveling.
April and May. Are
Well, we gotta
quite busy
wait for Mother Nature to be.
to calm down.
Yeah, because it's
So
gonna
it'll be a
snowing.
summer project.
The next video on this, give or take. So anyway, stay tuned. We've got more on this glow-in-the-dark stuff. We're pretty proud of it. We love working with it. Let us know if you have any questions, concrete concerns. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Go concrete.
Beat asphalt!